Like today, it's time to make either two things: pho, a Vietnamese dish, or homemade chicken soup. So we're gonna do homemade chicken soup because it is raining. I'm gonna show you outside because my car's right here. I want you guys to be stalkers. All right, we're gonna make chicken noodle soup first. We're gonna boil the chicken. All right. So buy your chicken at your store, wherever you can, or real chickens, real, if you have real chickens in your backyard. And it's time, Simba. We're gonna cut the chicken in, not pieces, just throw it all in there right now. Chicken number one goes in there. Chicken number two breast goes in there. And then chicken number three goes in there. So we're gonna let that simmer down and cook for a while. Get all these things out of the way. So we're gonna boil the chicken, and we are gonna add salt and pepper and other stuff in here so it could cook. So let's go ahead and do that, and onions and garlic and all the good stuff. So right now, garlic powder, yes please, give it some flavor. Onion powder, yes please. And we're gonna get salt. Salt, where is the bloody salt? Oh, here it is. Pepper, yes please. All right. Salt, yes please. As much as you want, not that, because it's just gonna flavor it. It's not. We're not gonna cook the whole thing, so flavor it. We are gonna move it around just a little bit, just so everything could cook right there. Move it around, and we're gonna close it up for maybe half an hour to an hour, depending on your heat. So let the boiling begin. For our chicken noodle soup, we're gonna do extra noodles, soup mixture, but we're not gonna use the broth because we have real broth going in there. Can of vegetables just to give it that extra flavor, but make sure you drain it before you actually pour it in there. So we're gonna do two of these so we could get that nice noodles and real chicken on it. Now to thicken it up, option. If you wanna add a little thickness on your thing, you could do a, which is a starter, which butter and flour, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it clearly, all right? So that's what we're going to do. 20 minutes checking our chicken. Almost done. Give it some more time. And we're going to get some of this fat out too. I like it. We're not going to break it apart right now. We're going to let it cool off too when it comes out too. That's looking really good. So give it another couple more minutes. I'm going to take out the top. I would say another 20 minutes before. You know what? We're going to put the top back, but we're going to bring it simmer down to maybe level 3. And give it another 20 minutes, let it cook. All right, recommendation, when you actually open the lid, skim it down, you know, get the fatty out, because we're going to use makes it easier to do it now. All that's rolling around, then later on. So that's something I like to do once in a while. You could filter the whole thing if you want, optional, but I don't like to lose everything. You need some of this fat to give it that extra flavor, but this is giving you a good flavor to begin with. But if you want to remove it, optional. Grabbing the chicken, we're gonna let it cool off for a bit before we start cutting it in pieces. All right, get the whole thing out. Now, put this to the lowest simmer you can. And we're gonna start the actual noodles in there. I just cleaned up as much as I can. See how it's all nice and clean? You can still clean it some more, but we're gonna start the noodles. Noodles, it comes with sauce, all right, to give it that extra flavor. chicken bouillon and all that stuff, but we're just gonna skip the sauce. I might skip the sauce depending on the salt. We're gonna add 2 of these, so let's add these in there. These are the actual noodles. They come pre set up already, so we're gonna add 2 of these packages, and they already come with the actual noodles and everything. Actually, the broth, so it might be a little bit not salty because I don't know. We'll find out. So we're gonna throw all of them in there. We'll do one more. Let's see if we can move it around first. Alright, so it is cooking. We'll close this out, let it simmer for a bit, and let it come to a boil. Stir it up every couple minutes, alright? Right now it's as lowest as it can. Then we're going to chop this off, put it back in there with it, and then we're going to put a can of vegetables. Okay, we're going to taste test because you have to do it once in a while. If you need something, move it around. If you need salt or something, just make sure you're aware of that. So, taste it. Oh, that's perfect. It's coming out good. Broth, the noodles. Oh, it's coming out long. So a couple more minutes with the. Oh man, I can't have enough of the broth. It's really good. So the broth is going to kick in really, really, really good. It's just hot right now. That's the only thing I have to worry about. Oh my god, it's more than good, to be honest with you. It's really tasty. Broth, and then we're gonna add a can of vegetables just to give it some flavor. Move it around every couple minutes, stir it around. When it comes to a boil, it'll be ready. Throw in your, right before it comes to a boil, or when it comes to a boil, turn it down completely. Right now we're gonna turn it up a little bit, let it boil a little bit. And when it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down. We're going to put the chicken and the vegetables and give it 5 more minutes in there. Let it marinate with the rest of the stuff, and then the soup is ready. But we're going to get the chicken, let it cool off a little bit before we throw it in there. I'm going to open the can of vegetables. But yes, you could throw real vegetables or just do a can of vegetables like I am. As extra, because I had this in the fridge, I don't want it to spoil. I just washed it, so we're going to throw some of these in there. Let them cook a little bit. Some tweaks, and I'm gonna have to take some broth out, to be honest with you, probably, but we'll see. Some goes here. I'm gonna cover it up too, give her some more minutes. Get that flavor going in there. Oh, I can see the noodles getting its shape and everything, getting thick, just like my woman. So we're gonna throw this, we're gonna cover it up so it can steam up a little bit more. I kept that low, I'm not gonna put it high after all, but we're gonna start chopping the stuff up. We might have to take out some broth too because of the chicken. It's too much chicken, or we could reuse the chicken for something else. We'll see. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes already. We're gonna open it up. We're going to make sure we mix it around, and you can see the noodles already done, so they're getting done. So we're going to go ahead and stir it up a little bit more, and we'll start adding our vegetables, but after our chicken. Let's add our chicken first. So for chicken, we're going to go ahead and cut it smaller pieces so everybody could have pieces of chicken in there. You can save the chicken if you want for other things too, but I think we have enough in here, so it'll be perfect. Start throwing it in there, and it looks like it's well cooked, all right? Everything's gonna have flavor in there. A couple more minutes. Now we're gonna add our vegetables. Just about fit them in there. Ooh. I'm gonna wait this to come to a little bit more cooking, and then we're gonna turn it off and let it sit and marinate here. But damn, it's just about the rib. Mix it up. We're gonna close it up, but let it simmer for another. Let's try it out first. Oh my God. Really off the hook. Another level. All right. Cover it up. Oh, cover it up another 10 minutes and we're ready to go. All right, here goes the first spoon that we're gonna serve. Lots of chicken, broth, everything on it. Look at that, beautiful. More chicken. That's a hearty meal for a rainy day. Yes, it is rainy day today, so this one's ready. Look how thick it came out, just like my woman. All right, so let's taste the soup. Now the soup has a lot of stuff, but it's actually really good. I mean, we got the broccoli just before it's boiled. Throw it in there, might as well, you know. Chicken, nice and tender. I cooked it separated. All the vegetables, everything. Look at this. This one has everything. I don't think you can see it or taste it when you're watching movies or videos, but you just imagine. Incredible. Vegetables take it to a whole new level. For fillers, I made some little fried taquitos too. Air fried taquitos. But this thing, it's really good. Perfect for this kind of weather. Nice to keep you nice and warm. This is something that you can't mimic from a can. Well, kind of. Really good. Oh, chicken. Look how tender it is. It just comes apart. The broth, probably the best thing ever. Really nice and tender. Really flavorful. So, enjoy your meals.